I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you find the right spatula, you gotta flip it and flip it good. This is the 3-piece silicone spatula set that are heat resistant by KLAQQED. They are so perfect to have on hand to just grab whenever you need them in the kitchen. They're so useful. They have the wide slotted spatula, which is so good if you are wanting to pick up something that's a little bit bigger. They are so effortless to use to move things around, to resituate them. And because this one is big, it's perfect for pressing down on burger patties to give that nice even press. And flipping, because it has that lip that dips, it just slides underneath so easily. Because it's wide, it's also great for grabbing up a lot of things like fries. You have the non-slotted spatula. This is super sturdy. It's got that dip in the edge also that's going to allow you to get underneath. The heat resistant coating is so important, especially if I am using my cast iron pan. It gets really hot. And because it's so solid, it's able to cut into any casserole and then to just slide right in and pull up that delicious food. We now have the smaller slotted spatula, and the straight edge allows you to cut with precision if you're wanting to separate eggs so that you can flip them individually. It just did such a good job and made cooking look effortlessly. It's great for flipping, for serving, for rearranging, anything that you need done in the kitchen. And that's my point of view.